out in the sun. Oh no. She wants to be up close and personal in the vlog. Want to say hi? Want to say hi to the people? No, okay, the people are not there. Hello everyone! I have that same vlog voice that I always do. I'm with my Jarnks. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
So, we're going out for her birthday today. Her birthday's not today, but it's in a few days. What day is it today? 15th?
18th.
It's the 18th today?
Yes.
Her birthday's tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're going out, but first we're gonna stop and see our house. How do I say this in these vlogs? Because I never know what to call it.
Rental house?
It sounds like we're renting a house.
Yeah.
One of my dad's house projects that he's working on, he's renovating. We're gonna stop there, check in on that. You'll get to see that, which is pretty fun. And then we're gonna go eat. So come join. You excited?
Yeah.
I mean, it's your birthday. I hope you're excited.
Yes. I'm excited. Looking forward.
Yay! I won't have any memories of people's voices because the only one who talks in these videos is me. But at least I'll get to see your face later. Okay, see you in the car probably. So in this house my dad's building, me and my sister are actually gonna rent the top apartment because it's like a duplex. So there's like an apartment for the main floor and basement, and then we're gonna go to the upstairs. And I told him, I was like, natural light, please. My room in my house now, in my parents' house, it's like this skinny little noodle of a window, and I just need natural light. Like, I get so depressed in the winter and in darkness, and like, I need light. So I requested lots of natural light, and now we have these massive windows. It's just beautiful. You guys making gravel?
What we're doing is doing a dry pack. It's an old Italian mixture here.
And where's it going?
Questo concrete, se io la shower, vi faccio un nice base for the concrete for the tile.
This one?
Not the one that she's standing, the one over to the left.
That accent slowly went out.
Yeah, you know, Mitch, she almost ready, eh? Yes. That's about
Intricate.
as much as good as it is.
So, this is the pristine open. This is what I was working on.
Oh.
And this is what it looked like before.
So here, I'll repeat everything because it's kind of muffled. This is the before, what we're trying to get rid of. We want to have the brick exposed, right? So she had, wait, that's what you did?
Yeah. This was already open.
Okay.
This was the attic. So
Oh,
then we
yeah,
covered with drywall.
Oh, this was the attic. Oh,
This
yeah.
is the line.
Okay. So yeah, this is what she
We're
did.
gonna sand this and polish it after.
Ah. Oh, wow. Alright, so I'm not giving you a full tour. I'm actually going to save that for another vlog where I like show you the befores and the durings and the afters. But, I mean, obviously you're getting like to see whatever you just happen to see in this walk around. So there you go, you got a little sneak peek of the house. But yeah, that's been my dad's project for the past, well, it will be a year in April. He started last April, so it's almost been a year. Yeah, that thing was a dump, and then he just gutted it, and now it's at the point that it's at. It's crazy. So, yeah, you'll get to see more about that later. I'll probably make like a whole vlog about it. What'd you think of the house?
Great.
Intricate.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yep. We're here. Didn't even say hi. No Nobody's here yet, but they gave us our table, so that's good.
I saw it.
Wait, there was no birthday one. I just thought you're so special.
You're so special.
Right? You're really special.
Yeah? What kind of really?
What?
Not the mean special,
Don't worry about
the
it.
nice special.
Don't even worry about it. Look at that. Don't like that. There you go.
Aw, so sweet.
Right? I'm sure. Oh, that was stuck in the dirt from the flowers.
It's okay. He was in the military, it doesn't matter.
At least you'll probably break your neck. Alright, there's
So
Caliber.
thoughtful.
There we go. Sass.
Studying intensely.
There's something on the house.
No, probably,
You know what you're getting?
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Dear Mom. Say to you. I got that
You're 3 years old. You're only 3 years old.
Tristan just said to me, did you eat any of it?
Yeah, really.
you just reorganized it around for your OCD to be satisfied.
She pointed at you two and she was like, they're basically done. And I was like, and it looks like you haven't even started.
Keep going.
I'll pack that up. Because I'd rather go.
I want to mix it all up again.
And then I saw the candle and I was like,
It's made with apples, cashews, coconut milk, maple syrup, coconut oil,
What was that paste?
almonds, lemon juice, no sugar, no.
Is it good? Yeah? You don't have to lie.
Is it like compressed cardboard? No sugar. There you go.
natural, organic.
Yeah? But what was that? How is it? Tiff got her a, what do you think? Is it like, I don't even know how to explain it. There's like this really healthy place that uses like only organic, fresh, local. I think it's only vegan, like, yeah, all kinds of healthiness. So the cake is an apple crumble cake made with like all vegan, like no healthy, organic cheesecake though, right? No, there's no cheese. No, it's made with cashew. Cashew, but yeah. It's vegan, like there's no dairy.
So then I got 3 in a row and it went through. No. Timbit.
I was going to say donut, but then I was like, Timbit.
Yeah. I was 0 and 9 and I went 3 in a row.
3 in a row.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's right.
Just roll up the
That's
Ramses.
not even the right spot.
Shh, they don't know.
And a coffee. I just
Don't
gave a
want
coffee
them
to this
all
homeless
other way.
guy.
Other way. Keep going.
Right where the arrow
No,
is.
it's here.
I'm trying to take off the sleeve.
There you go. Roll here.
How did that work?
What do you mean, how did that work? The homeless guy asked me for change and I said, I don't have any, but you can have a coffee. Here. You get a donut.
I gotta drink some first.
Gave him that.
There you go. Have a donut.
I saw that.
Wait, what'd you win?
Donut.
Oh yeah.